Pressure washers are great time-saving and water-saving tools. They actually use less water than a standard hose pipe, and whether it's cleaning the car or sprucing up a dirty patio, they simply make so many jobs so much easier. When choosing a pressure washer, make sure you're clear on what you're going to need it for. You want to find one that creates enough pressure to get your jobs easily done. Pressure is measured in bar. If you want your washer for cleaning your car and other lighter jobs, then pressure up to 110 bar is fine. For more difficult jobs like fencing, up to 130 bars is needed. And for the toughest jobs like heavily soiled patios, between 130 and 160 bar will be required. However, most pressure washers that are capable of high pressure can also be adjusted to work at lower pressures. To get a specific job done as quickly as possible, having the right attachment makes everything a breeze. Whether that's a surface cleaner, a foam nozzle or a car washing brush, being properly kitted out means that all those little chores take less time. To help clean tougher dirt, it's a good idea to get either a pressure washer that can add cleaning fluid to the water stream or an accessory like a foam nozzle to do the same thing. There are various detergents available from car shampoos to stone cleaners. Our Halfords pressure washers are great value and all come with a minimum 1-year guarantee. From our advanced range, the PW50 high pressure washer gives you ultimate precision with a selection of fan nozzles and comes with a foam kit included. We also stock the well-known Karcher range. These are covered by guarantees of up to 3 years, depending on the machine. There's a great deal of choice available, so it's easy to find a pressure washer to meet your needs. You can browse our pressure washer range online and in store, and if you have any questions or need advice on the right one for you, one of our colleagues will be happy to help.